Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm playing little cat Mario, and I'm in the Skype call with
Fuck, 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 fuck.
with Tiddles,
Oh, sorry.
and I can't get that. Okay, yeah, I haven't played. I think I played this like once. So I'm not sure what it's like.
Oh, you. Oh, sorry.
I don't really care. Oh, you piece of.
Die, mother.
Yeah, I did die. I know.
Yeah, I'll probably just like mute myself on Skype and just come in whenever I seem is appropriate.
What? What? Oh god, this is not going to be fun for me. Great fun for you, not for me. Psych him out. So I can't. Okay. What's gonna. Something's gonna be a bitch. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, you. Go. Speed it, speed it. Speedy. Speedy. You know, what's gonna. Oh, God. What can I expect? Bloody Japanese people. No! Ah! Mm. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I haven't been putting a few videos up lately. I haven't been, sorry. Just kind of haven't really got around to it, but I hope to change all that. Okay, suck it out. Su-
He needs to upload more.
su- Psyched out the thingo. This mushroom kills me, I swear to God. Oh, thank you. The mushroom did absolutely nothing. Oh, piece of
Oh my
shit.
gosh. Sound
Yes.
like you're trying to have a baby.
Oh, it'd be more fun than this. Oh my! I didn't touch it. Why the hell would a ghost come out of a green, shitty pipe? And why does that hill look like a green watermelon? No, 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 no. Psych you out. Jump. I can't even kill you, you little
I got the
troll.
camera bookmark on my freaking desktop.
You got the what? Oh! I've died 12 times. The
Go
video's.
back and mute again.
Oh, good. Video's been going for about 2 minutes. 2 freaking minutes. And I've died 13 times. Yum. Oh, okay, thank God. Okay, that's fine. Oh, what? That didn't. No. Oh my. Oh my. No, I don't bloody remember. Hurry up, hurry up. I know I died that many times. Don't need rub in my face. Oh, no, no, no. Don't go under there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Stop you. Well, can't kill you. Come through. Every single time. No, no, no. Ooh, that's a pretty cloud. 10. Okay, just get the coin like a boss. Checkpoint, checkpoint, checkpoint. Oh, yes, checkpoint. Yes! Progress! Ooh, star. What? So instead of making you invincible, it does nothing.
And all I hear is,
Shut up. A star killed me. Usually the stars are good.
yes, Josh, I've played this.
Oh, no, why did the floor go away? Get better building, people!
Oh, you
My god, this game is so stupid.
that's
Oh no! That was close, that was close, that was close. No! What? I didn't hit the brake! I don't think it's possible to keep a calm, cool temper in this game.
God, you fucking faggot.
I'm sorry, Tyler. Something's gonna happen here.
Oh, what? Oh, sorry, I forgot to mute my mic.
Something's gonna happen here. I don't know what it is. Something's gonna happen. Something's gonna. What? What? No. No, 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 no! You. That is the messed up thing I've ever seen. Oh, jeez. So,
Josh,
not.
the word that you think can work for then, and the word that you're trying to think of before was dick knob.
What you? What's gonna happen there? Oh, 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 can't trick me. Yeah. Oh, that was. I got flag. You're shitting me. I just got the. Oh my god. I just got the flag, and then something comes down and kills me. Gotta psych them guys out. I don't know what the hell that is. Go over it, maybe. Oh. Does that work? Please don't tell me. Don't. Did they get it? Level 1. What is the... Oh, what the hell's that? Level 1 complete. Only die 24 times.
Well, you beat me.
What? Oh, wait. Oh, wait, a little pipe and I'll just go backwards.
I got 80 deaths on the first level.
80? Ooh, ooh. What are you? You're like a dope. Don't take mushrooms, kids. Ends up killing you straight away like that, like a little bitch. Don't take purple mushrooms. Don't take that. I didn't take it! Ooh, what the hell was that?
Josh, well, no, you didn't take it, but...
Shut up, Tyler. I'll stab you in your nut. Crap, I almost broke something. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. Just don't take the mushroom. And it sits. What is wrong with this fucking game? Oh my. Oh. What? Okay. Didn't bloody die there. That's good. Oh, yep. That makes perfect sense. Fall down and die straight away. That's good. That's good. That's... Oh, yes. Yes. Spikes. Random bloody spikes. On that one. Ah. No. 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 What? How am I meant to get... How am I meant to get out? How am I... Oh. Okay. Thank God I'm... That's fine for me, honestly. Gonna have to reset my bloody game. What? What? Go. Oh my god, the jumping is retarded on this. Swear to god. I don't, swear to god. Honestly, I promise. No, no, no. Oh. Oh, you tried to get me, didn't you, little bugger? Oh my. I wasn't ready. It's meant to say 3, 2, 1, go. We're even more polite. No, 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 no. Hoo. Okay, so that's a little troll there. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Tyler, turn your no.
What I did the 10?
Everything on, buddy. Have you got past? Did you get past level 2 before when you did yours?
What? What'd you say?
Did you get past level 2?
Yes.
What?
I am actually playing it now.
Oh man.
I am on level 4.
What? How? Already?
Dude, I played this for an hour. I'm playing it again, just get past this freaking level.
I can't get past level 2. I've died 40 times. No, sorry, 39 times. No, why? Dude, I keep going down there. This is the stupidest freaking game. Stupid Japs.
You trolly ass bitch.
Yep, that is the point. Okay, so jump over you. You're there, but you break. What the hell? Is that like a magical hipster cat?
Hey Josh,
Oh wow, jeez, that was loud. Yeah.
word of advice, if there's a switch and it says off or on, always switch it.
Oh, thank you. That's the tip of the day, guys.
Yep.
What? No, I can't get over you, cute little kitty. There was a cute little kid and I couldn't get over it. You know, in level 2.
Don't worry.
You what?
Fuck you, trolling lazy thingy.
I'm just going to mute his mic. Oh,
Fuck you,
balls.
Fireball. Fuck off.
I'm just gonna put his mic down.
Oh, purple mushroom. Don't know if I should eat it. Oh, there's a bob.
Don't hit the mushrooms. They're evil. Evil, I say.
It's not a bob.
They're evil. Oh, that was extremely close.
Oh, fuck off. This fell in lava. I don't think he wanted to live anymore. What are you bitchy ass mushroom?
Yeah. Don't eat purple mushrooms. That's my plan.
No. The bob guy throws like objects. He threw the mushroom over to this place and the mushroom became 8 times faster.
Wow. Alright. Few more tries.
Fuck. Fuck.
What? I didn't jump! God.
Oh, fucking suck my dick.
Of course. And if I go like that, I die.
Fuck off.
Wow. Alright, I'm gonna go with until I get that to 50, and that is my stopping point. What the? Actually, when I get to 50 deaths, which I have to +3 on whatever I have now, so I'm on one more try. My last try, unless it's a retarded death. No, okay, no, that does not count. No.
Bitch, please.
Oh, on top. Yep. Why do you have to be so damn sexy? God. Ooh, ooh. What was that for? I have this plan, and I can't do it if I just die. You like that? Just die like that, you know? Okay, I'm just gonna keep going until I can do my plan, guys. 53 deaths.
You.
No. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's slutty.
Yes, okay. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there with the checkpoint, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I might be able to get part 2 of this out pretty soon. Yeah, alright. Thanks you guys for watching. If you like it, subscribe, like, you know that shit. Check out Tyler's channel, which will be in the description. Would you like to say anything, Tyler?
Learn to get longer.
That's what she said.